Credit Glory Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. If you're interested in Credit Glory, links to official service details, pricing information, and consultation pages have been added to the description so you can review what's included before signing up. Credit Glory is a credit repair service designed for individuals who want professional help removing inaccurate, outdated, or unverifiable negative items from their credit reports. It is a done-for-you service, meaning clients do not handle disputes themselves, as the company manages communication with credit bureaus and creditors on their behalf. It is mainly targeted at consumers dealing with low credit scores, collections, charge-offs, or reporting errors who want a simplified and guided approach to credit improvement. One of Credit Glory's key features is its personalized credit analysis, where specialists review credit reports from major bureaus to identify negative items that may be affecting the client's score. Based on this review, a dispute strategy is created and executed through formal challenges sent to credit bureaus and creditors. Another important feature is its dispute management system, where the company handles the entire communication process, including drafting and submitting dispute letters. The service also typically includes progress updates, so clients can track changes as disputes move through different stages. In some cases, Credit Glory may provide additional guidance or educational resources to help clients better understand credit repair fundamentals and long-term credit health. In terms of strengths, Credit Glory stands out for its simplicity and fully managed approach. It is designed for users who do not want to deal with the complexity of credit disputes or learn credit laws on their own. The service is easy to get started with and provides a structured process from analysis to dispute resolution. Having professionals manage communication with credit bureaus can save time and reduce stress, especially for users who are overwhelmed by financial challenges. The step-by-step workflow also makes it accessible for beginners with no prior credit repair experience. However, there are some weaknesses to consider. As with all credit repair services, results are not guaranteed, since outcomes depend on the accuracy of credit report data and how bureaus respond to disputes. The cost of ongoing service can add up if the process takes several months, which is common in credit repair cases. Additionally, users have limited control over the dispute process compared to DIY credit repair methods or software-based platforms. Some individuals may also prefer more transparency or advanced tracking tools than what is typically offered in standard service packages. Overall, Credit Glory is best suited for individuals who want a straightforward, hands-off credit repair service with professional support. If your goal is to outsource the dispute process and focus on improving your financial situation without managing the details yourself, Credit Glory is a practical option in the credit repair industry.